Over 60 volunteers from area churches come together to prepare 10,000 humanitarian meals to rise against hunger. Canton Area School District is slated to host a jazz festival featuring local students. Galeton Parks and Recreation receives community support for their new splash pad project. And new members are inducted into the Tioga County Sports Hall of Fame. These are the headlines today on HPN News, brought to you by Dunhams Department Store. Last Sunday, March 30th, the Galeton Ministerium, in partnership with Pine Creek Valley Methodist Church, organized a Rise Against Hunger meal preparation event. With the help of over 60 volunteers from area churches, they worked to prepare and pack 10,000 meals in less than 90 minutes. Rise Against Hunger is an international humanitarian organization that aims to end hunger by empowering communities, nourishing lives, and responding to emergencies. Homepage correspondent Adrienne Pierce met with one of the volunteers during the event to find out more.
Daryl, could you tell us how this is near and dear to your heart?
Well, this is a great opportunity for us as a community gathering together as a faith community and putting together meals that will be able to help those who are in need of having their hunger filled, so.
Wonderful. And we've also heard that this was an inspiration from your mother. Could you tell us a little bit about that?
Sure, yeah. Actually, I didn't find out about my mother until last night. I was actually going on the website and I saw that her picture was there. She attends the Still Meadow Church of the Nazarene, and the picture was in York, Pennsylvania. So that was in 2022. There was a picture of her actually at one of these tables putting together these meals.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much for speaking with us today.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Be sure to watch our full feature of the event today on thehomepagenetwork.com. Canton Area School District will be hosting the 2025 PMEA District 8 Jazz Festival this Friday and Saturday, April 4th and 5th. Students from Tioga and Bradford County will be also participating among their peers from across the state. The concerts will take place in Canton High School's Nell Black Weskey Auditorium. Admission will be $5. The Galeton Parks and Recreation Department held its annual gala last week, hosted at the Galeton VFW. It was an evening of dancing, delicious food, live music, and community, all in the support of the development of a splash pad and other recreational volleyball and basketball activities. Homepage cameras were there to capture some of the excitement.
We want to thank you so much for supporting Parks and Rec and supporting our 2025 gala. We are so glad that you're here with us. Your contributions tonight will go toward Galeton Parks and Recreation's splash pad, which will break ground here within the next couple of months. It also goes to our fishing derby, which will be held in May, our Tiny Tigers volleyball, as well as our Tiny Tigers basketball programs, which are in the fall as well as in the spring. We continue to try to improve recreation around the Galeton area with the fundraising events that we do. We want to thank No Limits for being here with us tonight in supporting our efforts to raise money in order to support bettering our community. So thank you all very much.
Congratulations, Galeton, on the fantastic turnout and support. You can learn more and watch our full feature of the event on thehomepagenetwork.com. And Wyatt Wood has the latest homepage sports news. Wyatt?
Thanks, Johanna. This past weekend, new inductees and high school honorees were added to the Tioga County Sports Hall of Fame. The class of 2025 inductees include Gary Ball, Whitney Connolly, Jessica Webster, Steve Dart, Tanya Harmon, Dennis Fitzwater, Peggy Williams, Darren Leatherman, Tom Mahusky, Michael Rizzo Jr., Brianne Rowe, Gerald Spencer, and Gary Wismunski.
This HPN News Update has been brought to you by Dunhams Department Store. Dunhams has been serving the Twin Tiers communities for over 100 years. Located in Wellsboro, Pennsylvania, this family-owned classic department store has hand-picked selections for everyone. There's something about Dunhams. For HPN News, I'm Johanna Vogt.